Some birds look like they shouldn't exist. They almost don't feel real. Today, let us look at 6 of the strangest birds on Earth. First, the toucan. Its beak looks ridiculously oversized, but inside it is hollow light yet strong. Besides eating fruit, it also helps regulate body temperature. Next, the hornbill. Its beak is already huge, but on top of it sits a helmet. This structure can amplify sound and is even used in fights. Third, the shoebill. Its beak looks like a shoe, and its whole appearance feels prehistoric. Even standing still, it has a strong, intimidating presence. Fourth, the Frigatebird. It already looks unusual, but during courtship, its red throat pouch inflates like a balloon. Fifth, the Cassowary. With its blue and red head and a prominent casque on top, it is a bird you definitely don't want to mess with. Finally, the bird of paradise. It doesn't just look strange, it transforms. During courtship, it spreads its feathers into dramatic shapes, moving like something straight out of CGI. Nature can be truly unbelievable. Some birds don't just look strange, they completely redefine what a bird can be. Which one do you think is the craziest?